I don't know what Zoe's barking about, do you? Did you say ew? What's ew? You got something yucky in your hand? Come here, let me get it off. Here. We get it? We get it? More? Is there more? Okay. Oh, you got dog hair on your hand, I think.
No.
Oh, yes, dirty, I see.
Zoe.
Zoe's hair? Zoe! Ew! What?
No.
Move what? There's spider web? What? Is it Bijou? Meow. What is a cat? Nano, come here for a sec. Nano, come here for 1 sec. What does a cat say? What? What does a cat say? Meow. What does a dog say? Come here, come here, come here. Nano, what does a duck say? Say it again. Quack, quack. Nano, what does a cow say? What does a cow say, Nano? Nano, who's this?
Mommy.
Who's this?
Zoe.
Zoe. Who's that over there? What's that cat's name? See that cat right there? To your right. Look, look. What's that cat's name? What's that cat's name? I know it says wow, but what's her name? Her name's Bijou. Zoe, are you eating beans? No, Zoe. No, 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 no. Zoe. Zoe. Out of the beans.
Beans.
Yeah, beans.
Mine.